Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm standing here overlooking my hometown of Florence, Alabama. And Florence, Alabama is known for a lot of things. Fame Studios is the hit capital of the world. The famous Helen Keller was born here. We're certainly known for this beautiful Tennessee River, which is a source of recreation and commerce. But we're also known as the home of Alabama hot sauce. Now, Christmas time is coming, and we've got something we think you'll like. Right here, I've got a special box we've designed, the Alabama Hot Sauce 3-bottle gift pack. This gift pack is unique because if you follow the link I provided in the description, you get to choose the 3 bottles that go into the box. Now, we didn't do like some other hot sauce makers and choose one good seller and a couple of tough sellers to get rid of some inventory for Christmas. We let you make the choice. If you like, you can choose 3 of the same bottle. You can choose 3 of the same color. You can choose 3 of the same heat level. You can choose any 3 you like. You just make the 3 selections, we package it up, and we send it out to you the next day. Now, we've made this gift box look as attractive as we could. If you put your shipping address at your home in the shipping address section, we'll send it directly to you, or if you'd like, we can send this directly to your gift recipient. Just simply put their name and their shipping address in the shipping information, and we'll send it right out to them. Leave us a note in the comments section if you want something particular said or a particular note put in your box. I can do that for you. Once again, folks, I want to thank you for joining me here on the banks of this beautiful Tennessee River. Thank you for your business, and I'll see you next time.